can never win. Try not to begin. That said, please don't come find me. Why don't you people try spending some of your time thinking of something else besides tearing others down? You can never win. Get under my skin. Can't say you didn't warn me once, and I thank you all for that. You can try to hurt me, but you don't hurt anymore. And I need you all for that. But you can take your opinion and suffer fools of your own. I never wanted life to be someone else's broken mirror for a better reflection of my own. I could never win, why would I begin? But you're welcome to keep drinking that poison. Down, 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 down. And I thank you all for that. You can try to hurt me, but you don't hurt anymore. And I need you all for that. But you can take your opinion and suffer fools of your own. Moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on. And I thank you all for that. You can try to hurt me, but you don't hurt anymore. And I need you all for that. But you can take your opinion and suffer fools of your own. And I thank you all for that. You can try to hurt me, but you don't hurt anymore. And I need you all for that. But you can take your opinion and suffer fools of your own.
Yeah, I walk with broken feet, generations on my back. All the secrets that I keep got me shackled by my past. I can feel it buzzing, no, I can't do nothing. I can hear the trumpets, flowers on the coffin. Change is coming. Change is coming. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Change is coming. You can fight it if you want, but some wars you just can't win. Keep on punching underwater, but you'll never hit a thing. Yeah. Now all my blood is rushing. Here's the repercussion. Yeah. It's like all of a sudden someone pushed a button. Change is coming. Yeah, change is coming.
How you doing, Patrick? Little,
I'm all right, man.
little
I was in the
mad
dark. I was in the
scramble
dark.
right before the switchover.
I was in the dark.
We had like 20 seconds left on the counter, and I pinged Patrick on the side. I'm like, "Hey, man, your light's off. It's a little dark in there." And he's like, "Oh my gosh!"
Lights off. Lights off.
While he's
man.
while
Lights
he's
off.
trying to eat breakfast and everything else. So
and talk to Chat GPT, right, or Copilot, whichever one you.
yeah,
your choice,
GPT-5. It's out. It's
Yeah.
out. I love it. Welcome everyone. Hope everyone is having a glorious Saturday. Not just a regular Saturday, but a glorious Saturday.
Yep.
So yeah. And I saw Matthew in the chat. He said he couldn't join today, so that made me sad. But that's okay.
It's all right, man.
That's okay.
That's okay.
We still got it. All right. Yeah. Anything new, Patrick, in your world?
You know, Adam, there's always something new in Patrick's
always-
world.
Yes.
There's always something new, and I'm on a journey right now, Adam. I'm on a
We both
journey
are.
that's taking me. I'm on a journey. Well, yeah, you're definitely on a journey, but that part of my journey is complete.
Yes.
I'm on a journey that's taking me back to my roots in SQL. I'm on a journey heading back. I'm still dabbling in Python, but I think SQL's still the language. We're talking about languages, not engines or anything like that. We're just talking about languages, you know, like programming languages, whatever you want to call them. It's taking me back to my roots, and I'm enjoying it.
So there's this concept of love languages. Is SQL your love language?
Yes, it is.
All
Yes,
right.
it is.
All right. Nice. I will also say
it
we
is.
are overall on a journey from a guy in a cube perspective. We had an
Yes,
amazing
absolutely.
we had an amazing meeting on Thursday, and then we had another amazing meeting Friday morning with Martha, and
Yeah.
we got
Yeah.
ideas. We got some.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was.
We got beat up a little bit, though.
We
got beat up a little bit.
Yeah,
got
we
beat
it
up
was
a little
a
bit.
it was a truth moment, and I'm excited though. I'm excited. We're gonna do
Yeah.
good things. So.
Yeah, we're gonna do great things.
All right, so excellent. Well, welcome everyone. I see the Saturday morning crew is in the house. Love seeing that. Let me drop the link in the chat. That should work. Hopefully. I didn't put the link in there. I gotta update that for the link. So sorry. We'll get that in there. But yeah, so welcome everyone. Glad you're here. Another Saturday. This is the third Saturday in a row, Patrick. I'm just going to say that.
Yeah.
We're on a roll. We're back. Yeah. And I got to fly to Atlanta tomorrow. So yeah, but that's okay. Didn't impact Saturday.
Not me.
No.
Not me. I'm going to be writing.
Not you.
I'm going to spend Sunday writing SQL, writing
Okay.
T-SQL.
I'm going to be on an airplane.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. If you are new to the live stream or new to Guy in a Cube in general, put hashtag new in the chat. We always love seeing the new faces. Just want to welcome you and invite you to participate in the chat. The chat is lovely. Everyone wants to help, and so I know a lot of people tend to be lurkers, but and that's okay too. But say hi. Say something in the chat.
So, Donald,
What did I do?
absolutely not Spark SQL, T-SQL, T-SQL. That's right.
Oh
Go
my
Tigers. Go Tigers,
my
Alex.
gosh.
That's right. Go Tigers. Not Spark SQL, T-SQL. That's right. T-SQL.
Yes. Okay. All right. Well, that just threw us off.
SQL. That's right. SQL. Yeah, all right. SQL. Yep.
SQL.
It is. T-SQL is poetry. It's poetry, right?
Poetry.
It is. It's so, yeah, it's poetry.
All right. Big shout out to members of Guy in a Cube. You help us do what we do here, and we very much appreciate it. Yeah, get your dollar jar ready. I almost said dollar dar. That's not right. Thank you, members. If you see folks with a green name or a Guy in a Cube icon next to their name, those are members of Guy in a Cube. So thank you so much for that. We appreciate you. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn more about being a member, check out the link on the screen, or you can hit the join button down below to learn more. No commitment required. Just big thank you for helping out. All right, what were we
Andy
gonna say?
Clark said, "Hey Patrick, can you make? I have an email in my box. I will." 8/21, August 21. Let me make sure I look at my calendar. I think yes, but I will respond on Monday. On Monday, I will respond to. I think yes.
So,
tentatively, let's say yes, but on Monday.
Andy doesn't want me. He just wants you.
Well, I sent him an email. Do you want to come and talk about warehousing in Microsoft Fabric?
I don't know that I need to talk, but I can be a cheerleader.
You're more than welcome to come. Yes, you're more than welcome to come.
I don't think I'm doing anything, but whatever.
Yeah.
John, thank you, man. John just said lurking. I love it. I need to put a command in there for just lurk. So that'd be amazing. Yeah, there you go, John. Lurking. I love it.
Kevin, I haven't seen your email. If I didn't send it, you may want to resend because I don't see it in my inbox.
It's virtual though.
Yeah, I still haven't seen the email.
Okay. All right, a couple things. So on the member front, so Deborah Jones, thank you for becoming a member. Very much appreciate it. And then also Maggie, thank you for becoming a member. Very much appreciated. Mark, because we're efficient. We're not lazy. We're efficient.
Very efficient, Mark. Very efficient.
That's why. Yeah. That's why. Okay. And then, all right, we've got some rules here. First rule of the live stream, put Q: in front of your question. Get them in. I'm standing by. I've got 2 questions in the queue right now. So Q:, make sure the colon is there. Q:, and then I will get it queued up. No need to do it more than once. We'll get it in there. Typically, what happened to? Oh, all right. Sorry, I got thrown off. Typically, we don't get through all the questions, but we'll do our best. If we don't get to your question, come back next time, and we'll try it again. It'll be great. Rule number 2. Do not spam the chat. Matthew's not here, so I'll have to be a little more diligent. Alex is here. I see him. We've got some other mods in the chat, which is great. But if you spam your chat, we have a 3 strikes rule here on Guy in a Cube, and you will get put into a timeout. So don't do it unless you want to be in a timeout. I mean, we can do that for you. Happy to oblige. And then so 1 time's all you need. We'll get it queued up. We may or may not get to it. Come back next time. And then rule number 3, members. If you are a member of Guy in a Cube, then go ahead and wait until the halfway mark. If we don't have enough questions in the queue, then we will go ahead and just open it up, and we'll let the members come in. So it just depends. So we've got we do have a few. All right, I'm trying to remember. There we go.
New.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that real quick. All right. So those are the rules. Let's go ahead and then Andy Clark, thanks for becoming a member. Very much appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Yep.
Love it. All right, let's see. I gotta scroll up because I did a lot of talking. Which is normal. Hang on a second. I feel a sneeze coming on. Whew.
Bless you.
Yeah, I got that mute button down. That was nice.
Yeah.
I got a little bit of the little morning allergies. I don't see any new. Did you see any new?
I didn't see any.
I don't see anyone that's new. Everybody here is not
All right.
new, which is okay. I love it too, because we love everyone. All right, let's go.
This is an interesting comment. Here's an interesting comment before we start. So
Okay.
I want let's clarify something. So Joel Vargas said, "You two are back together. I thought Patrick went to Microsoft." No.
Okay.
No, it's a good
Okay.
point. And a
Yeah.
lot of people ask us.
A lot of people don't know.
ask us this
Yeah,
question.
yeah.
Go
Yeah,
ahead,
yeah.
Adam. Go ahead.
Well, so Patrick and I both work for Microsoft.
Always, we've always worked for
Next
Microsoft.
June will be my 20-year mark at Microsoft.
And next April will be 15 years for me. at Microsoft.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
So we're both on the product team for Microsoft Fabric. It's just Guy in a Cube is our passion, and
Yes.
yeah. How many didn't know that? It comes up every once in a while, but yes.
Yeah.
So
we've been doing it a while.
I've been, and even before, so it's 20 years as a full-time employee, but I was doing support for Microsoft when I was a senior in high school, doing Windows 95 support. Oh my gosh. Helping people get their fax machine working inside of Windows 95. Yeah, Mark. Yep. No, there's no golden watch, man. No. There was something else I was going to mention. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. What was it?
It's okay. It's okay, Adam.
If I remember, I'll come back.
It's okay.
I should have said it in the moment, and I didn't.
It's okay.
sad.
It's
All right.
okay. Age affects us that way.
Yeah, it's all right. It's like Kerberos. It just works. Exactly. Yeah, Gaston, fax on Windows 95, man, that was a thing. I'm trying to get people's printer drivers working. That was, and trying to educate people that the CD tray was not a coffee cup holder. That happened multiple times. True story. And also with the coupler modems, you got to move the parrot into the other room because the parrot's going to mimic the sounds and going to break your connection. So that's a real thing too. Be aware of your surroundings.
Okay, let's go.
I'm just dropping knowledge, man. That's all I'm doing. I'm dropping knowledge. All right.
There's questions.
Let's get to the queue. Let's get to the queue. Yeah, Office Space. I love that movie. Gavin coming in with the first question. I haven't used Power BI in about 4 years. What's new? Everything.
Oh my God.
I don't know. Where do we start?
Oh wow.
We've got Git integration now. We got Copilot. We got Direct Lake. We got beautiful visuals. Stuff works. We got
Field
translytical
parameters.
field parameters. Shape map is still in preview, so you didn't miss that.
Azure Map is getting better.
Azure Map is getting better.
Dark mode. You got dark mode.
Oh, we got dark mode. How did I forget dark mode? That's my thing. Oh my gosh, so
Calc
many.
groups. You got the model view. You got
we got a new
view.
we got a
you
new
got the
icon.
You can actually design models in the web now.
Oh, you can do all the. You don't even need a PC anymore. We can just do it in the web.
It's so many things. That's a good question.
Yeah, no
though,
Spanish.
Gavin. It's a
No
good question.
Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So many things.
Elena, I love that. So one question today. I love that. Kevin, thank you for becoming a member. Very much appreciated. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was great. That was great. All right, Gavin.
That's
Yeah,
a
there's a
good one.
lot. There's a lot.
It's so many.
Yes. It's funny. All right, Julio. How can I troubleshoot Microsoft Fabric Capacity Metrics Power BI app? After setting up the app, it was giving a generic message below the ribbon bar. Now it's displaying an error in the dashboard data. Oh, you know what? Hang on, let's go over to my machine. I think I have a thought, but I don't know if it's actually what's going on. So I gotta find it. So if you go to the capacity metrics app, or you go to the report. Oh man. All right. Well, I don't have it set up. Apparently, it got bonked. So what had the report actually come up? What you would have saw was you have the slicer. So make sure that you changed to a capacity, like change the capacities in the drop down. And then it should end up going out to the backend telemetry to get the data.
Mine works.
What do you want to show it?
You're
over to your
more
machine.
than welcome to if there's something specific you want to show.
You know what I just said? I'm like, just go over to your machine. I'm like, oh wait, I gotta do
can't.
that. All right, let me hit the button. All right, yeah. So Patrick,
Where are you going?
Can you do Control 4 on into the slicer there? No.
Right here?
Yeah, Control 4 though.
Control 4.
Yeah. All right. So, and then move over a little bit. You're in the live Zoom, so just move your mouse, man. What are you doing?
I did, man. There you go. Which way you want me to go?
No. Right there's good. So we've got our list of capacities, and so you can change those capacities. By default, nothing's selected. If you don't see anything in the capacity drop-down list, then what you need to make sure is that the model needs to refresh at least once, because the metadata for the capacities and whatnot, that's actually an imported table in the model for the metrics app. And then it does a direct query out to the underlying Custo telemetry for what it does through the model. So you got to make sure that initial refresh hit, and then like if you add another capacity, it has to refresh again. So that's where that's gonna be. So thank you for that, Patrick. You did a wonderful job.
So when you do Control 4 to get out.
Yeah, you got to do Control 4
You got to press
again.
Control 4 again.
Yeah, I always do Control 1, and then it just messes you up. Every time.
Yeah, you have
Every
to.
time. Every
You
time.
got to do Control 4 again. Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't see any other comment from Julio in the chat. So Julio, oh, there you go. He said thank you. All right. Excellent.
welcome. Yep.
Hopefully that helps. Like if there's something else going on, make sure that the app is updated also. You should see a message in there saying there's a newer version. If none of that works, call support. But that's usually what gets me the initial times, is either the initial refresh and or make sure you pick a capacity in the list. So that should do it. Yeah. We were in it was a internal like know before you go for FabCon Europe, and we were just doing like speaker tips and stuff, and I was just going off on Zoom it, and I said do Control 4, but if you do that, like I always hit Control 1. I'm like, even as a I consider myself a professional presenter, and like that gets me every time. Patrick too. And it just got him.
That's why I said it.
I know.
That's why
I'm
I
like-
said it. You gotta do Control 4.
every time I do Control 4, I always do Control 1 because it's
Yeah,
muscle
do
memory to get
Control
out of it, and I'm like, wait, what's going on?
Yeah.
And then you got to do Control
gotta
1
go.
again to get back to the Control
Yeah.
4, and it's like it's just
Yeah.
confusing. And at that point, I just button mash until it gets back.
Yeah.
Oh my god! And then Alex, when you call support, tell them Adam sent you.
Tell them Adam sent
Oh
you.
my gosh. Yeah. All right. Jake, I'm gonna hold your question until we get to the second half. So don't go anywhere. Where's Matthew? He said in the chat he had a conflict today, so he's not here. But that's okay. We can keep going. Alex is here. Mark is here. We got mods. That's all good. All right. AY Lifestyles. How can I check my dataset size on Pot Workspace?
Datamart
Size on Pot Workspace. I don't know what Pot is, but
Pro.
I mean
Pro.
Okay.
Pro.
Maybe there's a
Come on.
Freudian slip. I don't know.
Come on, man. Come on.
How do you on Datamart? How do you check the size of Datamarts?
I don't know. Because if you go to workspace settings, you can go to system storage,
Yeah,
and
I
I
don't
could
think
see.
Yeah, but is that going to tell
I
you?
can see.
That'd probably be the only spot. Can you back out of there and go again so they can see what you did?
I'm going to go to a different workspace. Let me go to a different workspace.
By the way, I
one
will,
that has
in
a-
full transparency, I've never created a Datamart. So
Yes, you have. We did videos. You created a Datamart before. Yes, you did. Yeah.
oh yeah,
We
that
were
was
in
our
that hotel
COVID video.
room,
That was the COVID
And we
video.
were really,
Yeah.
we both were really sick in that
yeah,
hotel room.
we were stuck. We were locked down in COVID in Redmond. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
remember
So
that.
let's go here.
All right.
So in your workspace, you go to workspace settings and go to system storage, semantic model. I don't know.
Maybe.
Don't know.
I mean, we don't have a Datamart. So, well, can you create a Datamart
Yeah.
real quick in a workspace and
No.
see?
Let me go to
Maybe
let
a
me go to
different workspace. Don't do it in that one.
Yeah. Let's go to. I'll do it. Keep going. I'll do it and see if it works.
All right.
I'll
All
let
right.
you
All
know.
right. All right.
Yep.
All right. And Marco's in the house, and I think he's trolling a little bit. This is the only YouTube channel where no one is using ChatGPT 5. Oh my goodness. I will tell you
Oh,
what.
A Saxton. There's
Oh
a
yeah, yeah,
message
yeah.
on my screen.
It's been deprecated. It's been.
I forgot.
All right, so hang on. Going back to datamarts. Yeah, they're going away. So yeah, you can't actually create a new datamart anymore.
Yeah. Sorry.
So, yeah, and that was to Mark's of like, hey, when are they going GA? Yeah. Also to Marco, to your question, hey man, I got ChatGPT 5. I got it.
What did Marco say?
He
What did
said
he
we're
say?
the only YouTube channel not using ChatGPT 5.
Oh, I use it a lot.
I use it a lot.
Use it a ton.
Yeah.
I use it a lot.
Yeah.
Are we talking about it or not talking about it? Different story, right? But
Yeah.
I use it a lot, Marco.
I mean, what would
Right?
you want? What would you want to see? Tell us what you want to
Yeah, that's what I want to know, Marco.
Yeah.
That's what I want to know.
see. Yeah. See, I look at it. I look at ChatGPT and Copilot and all these things as like the silent partner. Like it's with us.
They're my admins.
They're my teammate.
They do all the stuff I don't want to do.
That's a lot. All right. Let's keep going.
Oh, Marco's trolling.
I know
Marco's
he's trolling. He's trolling.
Marco's
He's trolling.
Marco's trolling.
Oh, Marco. You should. Hey,
Marco's
man.
trolling.
I'm just gonna leverage the MCP server that
That's right.
that Kurt put together, and I'm just gonna use my resources. All right, let's keep going. Marjan, I'm gonna say that's Marjan. Is it possible work on the Power BI project more than one person at the same time? Yes. So for Power
depends?
BI, it depends. Yes.
Okay.
If your Power BI project is just on your own machine and that's all it is, the answer is no. But with the Power BI project, we can do Git integration, and then you can take advantage of diffs and merges and all those great things, and you can have multiple people developing it. That doesn't mean you have to use the Git integration inside of Fabric, but that's an option as well. So yeah. All right. Cool. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Sorry, I just saw this in the chat. I need to do my my call out. We're gonna be in Vienna on middle of September for FabCon. So make sure that, Patrick's like, oh yeah. Still time to register. Go ahead and use the code FabInsider and get 200 euros off of registration. We'd love to see you there. We're going to be there. We're really excited.
Hey, there's a couple of meetups. We're going to have a couple of meetups.
We have two. Yeah. Wednesday and
in
Thursday.
the community zone.
Community lounge.
Community zone. So
Also-
and so
I told Mark, my boss. I said
Mark
Ruggiero. Yeah, Mark Ruggiero. I said they gave Patrick and I our own stage.
We have a stage?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know about this.
Yeah. I haven't told you
How
any
am
of
I
this
just
yet.
finding out? Oh my god. We got a stage?
We have our own stage, and it's in where people eat lunch. It's not in the expo. It's right next to the expo. But yeah, we got our own stage. Yeah. So next year, or never mind. We'll move on to questions anyway.
Okay. All right. Yeah. I didn't.
No, it's not in the community zone. It's in where where people are going to eat, like lunch area. That's also where the racer pod. We're going to be next to the racer pods. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We got a stage, man. We got a camera crew, a stage. We got all of it. It's professional. Wow. Yeah. They're giving us everything. Yeah. Anyway. All right.
Okay. So David Cousins just posted something. I'm gonna bring it up. What he says. He saw Marco in Sweden, but don't say hi. Didn't say hi. Let me tell you something. Marco is one of the nicest people you will ever meet. He's really nice.
Is David saying that David didn't say hi, or is David disappointed that Marco didn't say hi to David?
I'm gonna say David didn't. I'm assuming David
That's what I'm
didn't say
assuming
hi.
too. Yeah, that makes.
I'm gonna assume David didn't say hi.
Yeah,
so
say hi. Marco's gonna say hi.
If you see Marco, say hi to Marco. If you see me, if you see Adam, just say hi. Just say
hi. Just come up
hi.
and say
Please say hi.
Yeah.
Don't walk away. Just say hi.
Marco's
Just say
the nicest guy. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Marco's is nice, super
Yeah.
nice. Except when he's trolling about Chat GPT.
Yeah,
Except when
I'll
he's
give him a
trolling.
pass on that. Yeah. No, absolutely say hi.
Yeah, super nice.
Anywhere you
Super
see
duper nice.
anyone like that you admire
Yes.
or you just want to,
Yeah.
like, just say hi to. It doesn't even matter. Just say hi to people. Connect with people. You never know who you're gonna meet.
Yeah.
Say yo.
Oh, that's right, Scott. That's right.
Say yo.
Yeah, say yo. If you run into Marco and you're looking for good pizza, if you want pizza,
Oh,
ask Marco.
yeah, Marco
He's gonna
knows
lead
where
you
the
to
pizza
right
is.
pizza.
Or he's just
Marco
gonna
knows
tell
where the
you
pizza
that he's like, yeah, there's no good pizza here.
is. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's great. All right, cool. But yes, absolutely, say hi to folks. It's great. Nobody. Oh wait, what is this? Nobody walks alone. Okay.
At the conference. At the
Yeah.
conference.
Yeah. If you're by yourself and you don't know anyone, just say hi to people. And
Just say
I will
hi,
say
and
I will
people
say
will start
this:
talking.
if you're at a conference, like at least if Patrick or I are there. I remember that when Catherine introduced Alex to us, and then we became really good
Yeah.
friends. So
Yeah.
if you don't
Yeah.
know anyone and you see Patrick and I just kind of around, come up to us and just say, "Look, I don't
Yeah.
know anyone here." We will introduce you to someone.
Yes,
We
absolutely.
will absolutely do that.
Absolutely.
So because
Nobody walks
you
alone.
gotta meet with people. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yep.
There's no good pizza in Dallas. I'm going to argue that point because so in Dallas, I will say I found a place that actually has pretty good. It's not exactly New York City pizza, but it's pretty close. And I love NYC pizza. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's good pizza. That's good
What's the
pizza.
place called? I forget. I think it was called Perry's. Anyway.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. Stephanie. Is there a way to use Copilot with just a pro license? I've avoided it because it seems to require a Fabric capacity for our clients. All right, I'm going to say it depends. This is a video Patrick has been bugging me to create. Yes. Well, okay, Thursday was the kick in the butt. Like it's on the list. We're going to get it done. But there's a few other things we got to do before that video now. So if all you have is a pro license, the answer is no. But you can spin up an F2 capacity on the Azure side, and then there's tenant settings where you can enable what's referred to as the Copilot capacity, and you can use a security group to route pro users' Copilot usage to that capacity. And so in that case, you can actually use, like if you just have a bunch of pro licenses and you got a single F2 capacity, then you can actually leverage Copilot with just that. Now, what's your mileage on how far that's going to go with an F2 capacity? I don't know. But it will let you use it.
But Adam, and how much is the F2 capacity? Just
Not
all
a
up
lot.
for if I ran it. It's not a lot.
it's not a lot.
like $200 and some dollars. If you ran it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it's less than $300. So
Yes.
I mean, it's not that expensive. And if you turn it on and off, you can even save money. So you have it come on doing work hours, turn it off. You can even save money. So
Yeah,
please
100%.
make this video,
100%.
Mr. Saxton, about 262. Well, thanks, Kevin. Please
Yes.
make this video.
Oh, look at
Please
that.
make this video.
Marco said NYC pizza is pretty good. I love New York pizza. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Marco and I went 100 miles from our hotel. To
Oh
eat
my
some
gosh, I
Seattle.
remember
Some
that.
pizza in
Oh,
Seattle.
it was so
And
cold.
The pizza was amazing.
It was so cold, but the pizza was good.
Great.
It was. I was not disappointed
Yeah,
with the pizza.
yeah.
But oh my! And we were like crossing
no.
train tracks. I'm like, where are we going?
Yeah.
I'm like, where
Yeah, it
is
was
this
great.
place?
It was great.
off in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it was great.
Like,
it was
how
great
did you
pizza,
even
though.
find
It was great
this?
pizza.
All right, so Julio came back on the capacity app. Look at this. He said, "Bam, it's working now." All right.
Boom.
Fixing
Thanks.
it.
All right,
Fixing
Adam.
it.
There you go.
Fixing it.
Yep.
All right, we still got it, Patrick. We still got it. All right, let's get. We are at the halfway mark. I'm gonna grab one more though.
Yeah, let's do one more.
And then what I'm going to do, I'm clearing the queue. So members, while we're answering this, go ahead and start getting your questions in on the member side. And then we'll switch over to what am I
Thanks,
saying?
God.
Member only mode. So yeah, okay, here we go. Is there any way in Power BI to show multiple dimension name columns in a single table? What? Show multiple dimension name columns in a single table is a bit confusing when multiple dimension tables exist. I don't know what that means. Are you talking about like role-playing dimensions?
Well, I think what I'm going to assume, let's say I have a date dimension and a product dimension, right? And my fact table sits in the middle. These two tables are completely unrelated. I think. I'm just assuming this is what we're talking about.
Definitely need
these
more
two,
info on this.
Yeah. These two tables are completely, so somebody already put what I was about to say, but field parameters. Use field parameters. Try field parameters. Let's just go there, right? Try field parameters. Thanks, Thomas. Try field parameters.
Yeah. Marco's
if that
weighing in.
doesn't,
Marco's weighing in. Hang on, I'm waiting for it to come up on my thing so I can put it on the screen. Here we go. So Marco said, the question is for a logical table that gets columns from different tables, like a view.
well, it's field parameters, right?
Kind of. Well, that's from a visual perspective. So the question is what's your goal? Like, what are you trying to accomplish here? And then we can figure out, is that the right option or is there a better option? Like if you're just wanting to see that from reflected in the model directly, like there's ways to do it. Dare I say a calculated column, but like you're duplicating data at that point. It's not a true view of what you would have in SQL. So
are we talking about, so then Toma just brought up another, I call it the Alberto, in one of my cascading dimensions. In one of my cascading dimension videos, right?
The Alberto.
Then you can think about, it's so many things I'm thinking about this. I just need more details.
Yeah, we need to know, like, what are you trying to accomplish, and then we can look at that. So have all the dimensions in one place. So like one wide flat table. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please don't do that.
Don't do that.
Please don't do that.
Don't do that.
That's a no. That's a hard no. Don't do that.
If you have very small dimensions, if you have dimensions that are single column, some people keep saying jump dimensions.
Yeah, Jake,
if you have
I just saw Jake say
if you have a few rows in the columns like yes or no, a small thing of type. I did a video on this. You can combine those into a single table, right?
Yeah.
But if I have a product dimension and a geography dimension, I'm not going to try to combine that into one table just so I can have all those columns in a single table. That's definitely an ugly baby. I agree with you, user 457.
Yeah.
That would definitely be an ugly baby, right? Yep.
There's something to say about like denormalizing things from a dimensional model, but not that far.
Not that far.
So
not that far.
All right, Rajesh, thank you for becoming a member. Very much appreciated. So all right, let's see. All right. So we got 2 member questions so far. We're going to kick over into member-only mode. So member-only mode, if you don't know, where members and moderators can participate in the chat, but others, you can still watch the stream, but not actually participate in the chat itself. Super chats always take priority, so there were questions in the queue we didn't get to. If we didn't get to your question, apologies. Come back next time. I know we kind of went off on a few tangents, so apologize about that. But yeah, super chats will jump the line whether you're a member or not, and that will be the next question, so you can do that. Otherwise, come back next time, or you can join. I dropped the link in the chat if you want to learn more about being a member, or you can hit the join button down below. No commitment required. Just thank you for checking it out. All right, we are in member-only mode now. Elena, you cannot. Only mods can send a link. I don't know what link you were looking to send, but how about this? We'll do this. Here you go, Elena. Now you can drop a link. All right.
Drop a link.
Drop the link. So James is first question in the queue. James says, any chance of a config file for deployment pipeline rules? So we announced the I thought the whole parameter set thing. Does that work with Data Factory?
The variable library?
Yeah.
Are you talking about the variable library?
Yeah. Does that work with pipelines?
Yeah. I think it does. Yeah. I haven't done much. It's on my to-do list. It's just so many things in Microsoft Fabric. It's on my to-do
Mark said
list
yes. Mark said yes.
Yeah, okay.
Thomas said yes.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, look at that.
Okay.
I got it. Wait. Oh,
I'm gonna
Jake
put a
said they
link.
don't work with deployment pipelines. Where they said, they said deployment pipelines. I was thinking a data factory pipeline.
You think it just? I was too.
I missed the deployment part. Yeah, that's a no. That sucks. So that's feedback we should give on like get this stuff working with deployment pipelines. Yeah. So if that's something you want, go ahead and go to ideas.fabric.microsoft.com and get that in there. I think it's a great idea. It should work. So yeah, do that. Oh, that's so sad. I'm so sorry, James. Yeah, that won't work for that. And I get that because you want.
Is it?
What? What's it say? We're in suspense right now.
Like when I go to the FAQ, it says I can't deploy my variable library in my deployment pipeline. Cause the active value set in the target stage is missing in the deployed variable. This is like it's being
That makes it
used
sound like
with
you can do it.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you can.
I haven't looked at this. I need to go and read about variable libraries.
Yeah, I don't have a
I don't know.
pipeline I can
I don't know
play
the
with.
answer.
So the fact that you're asking the question makes me sound like it's not possible, but
Yeah.
we'll play around with it and see if we can get it going. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. So Stina just dropped a cool comment. I'm just going to throw it up there because I love it. So being a member is a small investment with a huge ROI. I love that. Thank you. Glad to hear that. All right. Let's do. Let's go. By the way, so this Tom's got a question. I got nothing else in the queue. So, oh wait, Rajesh had one. Hang on. All right, Rajesh had one. So I got Tom and Rajesh right now. So if you don't have if you got a question, throw it in there. We got room for it. If we don't get any other questions, we'll switch back to open chat and just keep going. All right, Tom. Good old Tom. I'm working. Pay attention, Patrick. I'm working with a couple of developers who are brand new to the Fab. Nice. I like that. Most What is Fabric videos are pretty old. What resources do you record as the best current overview intro? Hey, stay tuned. So there are 2 videos on my list that will get recorded next week. That's one of them. And the What is Fabric video will drop probably the week after. So both of the videos I record next week will drop the week after. So they will both be Adam videos.
So also check out the Learn documentation.
Yes.
I look at the Learn docs. There's lots of great content. The Learn docs have improved. They're working on keeping them going. I say, for me, I say start there.
Yeah. So
And then watch Adam's video.
What does that look for?
If it comes out.
It's coming out. We had this is part of the meeting we had on Thursday, man.
Hey man.
got a plan.
I believe in you. I believe in you, man.
I believe in you. It's like Ted Lasso, man. I just jump up and hit the I believe sign. Maybe that's what I put behind me. I just put the I believe or just believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No. So we got it. Matthew, thank you for becoming a member. Very much appreciate it.
Yeah.
Oh man. No, we got it.
Yes, we are believers. We are believers. We are.
So it's great.
Thank you, Scott. Hashtag thank you, Scott.
Basically, it was a. I'm gonna say this, but I'm gonna bleep out something just because I know some people. All right. We had a come to meeting, and Adam was told that, look, you need to start doing stuff. So yeah. But we got a plan. We got a plan. And I will. No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not.
Yeah, don't.
I'm not.
Just keep going.
Not gonna go
going.
too far with that.
Keep going.
Keep going. All right. Yes. Believe. All right. So Tom, stay tuned. Give me 2 weeks, and you'll have it. Write it down. All right. I don't know that this is gonna look any different.
Thank you.
But yeah. Wait.
Just
what?
one video. Just promise one video.
No. Yeah, but I got these two
Under
are
commit.
No. These two are very so it's basically the what is Fabric and the what is Power BI video. Those have to be updated. Like that's I gotta get
Under
that
commit,
done.
over deliver.
I know it's the Scotty principle.
Over deliver.
It's the Scotty principle of being a miracle worker. Over promise.
Let's roll.
No.
Under
Promise, over. I almost said over promise, under deliver. I'm like, wait, no, that's not it. That's not it.
Under.
Yeah, that's my motto. Over promise, under
Let's go,
deliver.
let's
That's
go.
how I roll. All right. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Scott, he'll get it. He'll get it, Scott. He'll get it.
One of these days. One of these days. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. All right, Rajesh. Here we go. We moved from business objects to Power BI. Oh, big high five for you. Oh, that's great. I love that. The biggest universe I built, 20,000 objects. Users wanted to query themselves in web something. How can I replicate this in Power BI so users can build their own queries? I mean, it comes down to the semantic models, right?
Well, wait. So what are they accomplishing with these queries?
What's the goal? What do you want to accomplish? And then you got to build like the semantic model is the thing with Power BI, right? And so your semantic models are what people can query against from reports or Excel or all of those things. So
but I'm saying if I build if what's the data source? So like in SQL, like if I have a warehouse in Fabric, and my data source is the warehouse for my semantic model, I'm not sure where your semantic model is coming from. But if the data source is a warehouse in Fabric, Teradata. Okay, dokie.
I mean,
yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to do direct query
gonna,
against Teradata.
Yeah.
That's going to be problematic.
Yeah. So the semantic model is going to be where I was going was in the warehouse. There's a visual query designer in the warehouse. There is a visual query design that nobody talks about. It's not bad. I may do a video on it, because it's not bad. It's not, if you can't write SQL, you drag and drop.
They're doing Power
and it
BI
builds those
though.
query for you.
It doesn't help them with Power BI.
I know that's yes. But in Power BI, it's the semantic model. It's a semantic model.
So,
analyze in Excel.
So so is it a wise approach? It's a requirement to run Power BI reports. So the thing is when you're doing the semantic model, make sure you're thinking about, as Patrick was saying, like what do you want to accomplish with it? And you can you can have more than one semantic model. You don't have to stuff it all into one semantic model. So think about the business problem you're trying to solve and then create those elements that support that. And there's lots of information on like creating semantic models and best practices, star schema, all the things. If you go to SQL BI, Gynacube's got a bunch of stuff on it. Like there's tons of resources out there.
It depends,
Kevin?
It
depends. Thank you, Kevin.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kevin.
Yeah, it depends.
Yes.
It depends. But I'd say Excel. And I think Marco's saying it, Shabnam's saying it, two people that,
absolutely.
they've been out there doing this a long time.
You can connect to a Power BI data set, semantic model. It's the same thing. So if you hear semantic model and you hear data set, we're talking about the same thing. Then you can point Excel to that and then just run queries from a pivot table perspective. Yep. That typically satisfies a lot of folks. So, yeah. All right. That's a good question. Welcome to the journey.
Yeah, that's a good
Josh.
question.
Welcome to the journey.
Yeah, that's a great question.
All right, Jake. It's a Patrick question. Can you get UDF and SQL database in workspace monitoring?
I was looking at that. I mean, the workspace monitoring, there's ideas that you got to go and ask them to
you know what? I'm gonna for SQL database. I'm gonna go ask Anna. Like, what's the plan on that?
Okay.
Because she would know on the SQL database side. UDF.
Yeah, UDF.
We can go to Nelly or Justina and ask them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good question, Tom. Like, what do you want to monitor on the UDF?
No, are we talking about the UDF that the user data function? Or are we talking about a user defined function in SQL? So if we're talking about the user data function, they do stuff.
I'm imagining user data function.
But it does stuff, and I want to see what it's doing. I want to see because you're writing code in there. I want to know how long it takes to run. I want to know, so there's
Right, so
things,
Jake said, I can see a function set table in the monitoring database. Monitoring database. Not sure if that was UDF. I don't know. What
Function
you mean
set.
on that
I
one.
don't know.
I don't know what that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Jake said user data function. Yeah.
Yeah. I saw that. Yeah, Jake.
All
Yep.
right. That
We'll
sounds
have
like
to ask people.
That sounds like a Patrick video.
We'll have to ask people.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks, Jake. Good question, though.
Yeah, it was a good question.
Good point.
Wait a second. Why don't I have? Sorry. All right. Cool. Let's keep going. Matthew. We have an on-prem server that has views. We data flows Gen 2 into Fabric. Okay, so I'm assuming that's an on-prem SQL server. Hopefully.
Wow, that's good that you got DF2 out of that. Data flows Gen 2. That's awesome, man.
Wait, what did you think?
I like it. I didn't even think about it. I was like, what's
data flows Gen 2?
DF2, right? That's great. It's great.
Yeah.
Keep going.
All right. Or it's the floor 2. Anyway, all right. The tables are managed by low-code software, so only views are useful. Are there any more efficient ways to get this data into Fabric without data flows Gen 2? So
Can I ask a question?
You can
if you're using
do whatever you want, man.
Are you doing any transformations to the data?
That's a good question.
If you're not doing any transformations to the data, if you're just straight copying the data in, just use a pipeline. Because I think copy job, there's so many ways that you could get the data in outside of data flows Gen 2. Because data flows Gen 2, that's when I want to change, manipulate, right? Transform the data. But if I'm just trying to get the data in as fast as possible, copy job, pipeline. The copy activity. It does a really good job of just taking it out, landing it in there.
Yeah.
Yep. There's so many different ways. So many different ways.
Yeah, Kevin brought this up too. Like you could potentially mirror it as well.
Oh, you can mirror it too. So it depends.
It depends.
It depends. Yeah.
Wait. Does mirroring work on views? I thought it was tables only.
I thought mirroring did work.
Does it work on views?
On views. Mark. Let's ask Mark. Mark will tell us.
Why would Mark?
Mark Price, Mayor.
Oh yeah, he
Mark
owns
Price,
the
Mayor.
mirroring
Mark.
stuff. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Yes.
Tom G says mirroring won't lie, so they don't work.
Yeah. That's what I was like. I didn't think mirroring worked on views.
Come on, Mark.
He said nicely. Yeah, no to views. Yeah, not views. Yeah, because it has to do like the CDC stuff, and that doesn't work against views. It works on tables.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, no, it's not going to work. But now, if you wanted to, you could, and I'm not recommending this. This just sounds awful, but I'm going to say it. You could do open mirroring. You could create a whole batch job that does. Yeah. Don't do that. But you could technically do it. Yeah. Mark says there's a plan though with the views. Ooh, all right.
But pipelines could work. Just the copy job or something like that will work.
Yeah. All right. Moving on. Evan, what we got? I've got a fact table with 3 different fields for rep codes. Ooh, a compound key. I feel a compound key coming on. I'm just gonna throw. I haven't even answered this. I'm gonna say I feel a surrogate key conversation coming on. I've got a single salesperson table. What's the best way to set up row level security so they can see rows where they appear in any column? Oh, all right. That's not where I thought this was going.
Wait. So let's in the 3 columns. I have more questions. That's the problem. I have more questions. So if there's 3 columns,
So it depends.
in those across those, yeah, it absolutely depends.
Okay.
In those 3 columns, if on a row, is it me in any one of the columns? Can it be
Yes.
Adam, Patrick, Marco?
That's what he's saying. Because basically you have 3 different rep codes. So you could be a rep and you could appear in any one of those 3 columns.
I'm sure you could write some DAX to solve this, but that's going to make all that really slow. I would change my model and go, whoop. I would pivot those into somebody already said it. Yes, Christina, a bridge table. I would go, whoop, and make those rows instead of looking across columns.
Yeah.
You got to change your model a little bit. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Jake's like, unpivot the rep codes. Everybody's got
Yeah,
it. Right?
everyone's
Unpivot.
doing the same thing. Evan just said yes.
Do that.
Like, all right.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
All right. See,
Oh, that'd be a good video. That'd be a good video. That's a
write
good
that
video.
down.
Let me
Put
add
it
that
in
to
your
do.
list, Patrick. So
I'm putting it in my to-do.
I'm
That's a
gonna
good
go
video.
back. So like a troubleshooting perspective. I'm gonna. We talked about this a little bit last week, I think. But I'm gonna call this out. Where like as I was reading the questions, I mentioned like my troubleshooting approach is like a shotgun approach. Like I'll do my initial thing just to see if it lands, and if it doesn't, then we go back and just go down the list. All right, yeah, Patrick, it's in Patrick's list. And so what I did as I was reading the question, I was like, oh, I got a gut feeling, I know where this is gonna go, and then I was completely wrong. So it's like, okay, and then you know what I had to do, Patrick? I had to pivot.
Yeah. Right. Whoop. Christina said I got to use that sound effect in the video. I mean, Stina said I have to. Whoop.
Yeah. Whoop.
Yeah. But the thing is, right, Evan, I know the fact has 200 million rows, but when you take those 3 columns, pivot it and distinct it.
Oh, that'll
because
compress.
how many sales reps?
Yeah, how many unique
sales
values
reps do
are in
you
there?
have? Right.
Yeah.
How many unique
Yeah.
values do you have? Right. Yeah.
Thank you, Toma. Thank you. I tried really hard on that one, and you appreciated it. So
What?
thank you. My pivot, I did a pivot play on the.
No,
the
I
pivot.
got it. I got it.
Yeah, but you didn't give it the rightful attribution. You didn't. You just kind of blew it off.
Jeez.
That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. NTIMID8. Thank you for being a member. Appreciate it. What is 500? Oh, 500
That's how
unique
many-
values? That's nothing.
That's a piece
That's
of cake.
nothing.
Because you're going to put the row level security on that table, and then you
yes.
have your
And then it
relationship
propagates it
going
out.
to the fact, and it'll propagate through.
Yeah. No, that's
Yeah.
great. That's great.
I actually have a video. We talked to Marco about this already. There's a video that I did that shows you how to solve this problem already. Because that's an inactive relationship. I already talked to Marco about
Can you give
this.
Alex a clue on what to search for there?
I cannot.
This is an older video. This is an older video.
It's a really old video.
All right. All right. Wait, Stina knows something I don't. Oh, I get it now, Stina. She said great username, and I'm like, wait, what is that? It's intimidate. I got it. That's nice.
Yeah, Marco.
I like that.
I just thought about it, Marco. I thought about it. You and I talked about this a long time ago. And so even somebody's already
Marco,
saying,
right? Yeah, it's not one of those
Christian
things that you would really commit to memory. That kind of conversation. It's
somebody said they learned this from us a long time ago. User 457. Yeah, we talked about this a long time ago.
yeah. Yeah.
It's not even in the row level security playlist.
Yeah. We got some cleanup to do on that kind of stuff. So, yes, Scott, I appreciate you for that. Good Star Wars reference. I love it. Yeah, user 4 says there's a video. Yes, we know. We just don't remember what it is. Hey, if you can find it, let me know. And then intimidate. Put a Q colon in front of that question. Resubmit it with a Q colon so I can get it in. All right, we got Scott. We still got some time. Scott's got a question. Are Fabric shortcuts coming to warehouse? Have them for Lakehouse. Why not warehouse? That's a great question, Scott. That is
Thank
an
you, Scott.
amazing
Thank you,
question.
Scott.
Thank you.
Thank you, Scott.
Thank you. Mark, what you got? Come on, Mark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Scott.
Yeah. Scott,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do something for you here, just to help you out because it's you, Scott. I got you. please go to ideas.fabric.microsoft.com and vote that up. Mark said, I'm not allowed to say it. Yeah, because it's not a good response. Yes. They don't exist. I don't understand why, but they aren't there. I would love for them to be there. I feel it should be a consistent experience across them. But hopefully they will. Hopefully they will at some point. Yes, I know, Mark. Yes. And I blame you for it, Mark. It's really not your fault, but you're here. And so you are the target of my... Is ire the right word? Trying to use a big word there.
Wait.
What?
This video is so old.
Yes. So we need to go look, Patrick. Maybe that needs to be redone or part of our plan.
Redone. This video is so old. Oh my gosh.
All right, put it on the list, man.
Yeah, this is it. Look. Go just show the screen for 1 second, and I want to show you the name of the table.
Can you drop the? I got black on your screen,
Look.
man. I got black. It's all black. It's all black.
Hang
Look
on
at
1
this.
second.
This is an amazing thing. People are seeing black. This is Patrick's answer to all of y'all.
There you go.
There you go. So
Look
can
at
you
the
drop
name
the
of the
link
table.
in the chat?
Look at the name of the table. Look.
Yeah, I got
Look
it.
at the name of it.
I got it. Can you drop the link?
found it.
Hey,
I found
wait,
it.
don't just drop that link. Wait. You got a time marker in there. Get rid of the time marker first. Just delete the end part of that. Where the ampersand is, and then yeah, there you go.
Got it.
All right, look at that. Patrick dropping a link in the chat. Here we go. Here we go.
Boof.
All right. All right. All right, so Intimidate has got a kind of a two-parter here. So let's roll.
Yeah, I use username and not user principal name. I need to go redo this video.
Hey, they both work, Toma. They both work. Don't be hating. It's fine.
Oh, and I use lookup value. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, I
Yeah.
gotta go redo this.
This is old world Patrick right there. What was the date of that video?
Oh, man.
How old is that?
I don't know how do you see the date of a video.
Scroll down.
7 years. It's 7 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
7 years ago.
We'll call that Guy in a Cube classic. That's what that
That's
is.
classic.
Yeah.
That's
All right.
classic.
Vintage.
Vintage.
Antique?
Vintage. Vintage.
All right.
Vintage. I don't like antique. I don't like antique.
It's aged. How well has it aged?
It still works. It still works. That's how well it still works. Yeah. Legacy. Oh, legacy. Yeah.
Now he's going to go off on that. Thank you, Christina. All right, Intimidate.
No, we're good. We're good.
All right, Intimidate. What is Power BI's roadmap for the desktop client UI UX? Interesting. It's the first time I've heard a question put that way. Yeah, we got the roadmap.
Power BI roadmap. Power BI. Visual improvements are planned.
Yeah, so I dropped a link in the chat for the release plan, the roadmap, the planner stuff. So go check that out. But like, I don't know of anything specific that's in there. So, but here's the second part as to the why we're asking this question. The reason I ask is I was once an avid Tableau user for custom visual. Okay, I didn't even know they had custom visuals in Tableau. However, Power BI has grown leaps and bounds. Yes, it has. Thank you. However, I feel the one thing holding Power BI back is the desktop interface. Okay, but like what? Like what specifically? Like I don't know what some of that could just be like it's a different tool and you're used to doing it in Tableau, and so you just gotta get used to how it is. But if you actually have valid feedback, that's great to know. I just don't on object editing. Yeah, on object editing is where it's at. That's a preview feature right now. As a GA'd. I don't think it GA'd. So you could turn on object editing, which could be better. But I'd love to know like what what do you want to see? Also, like if you do have an idea for a suggestion, go to ideas.fabric.microsoft.com. That's inclusive of Power BI. And first go search because other people may already have the suggestion of what you're wanting to go after. If not, then go add a new one and make sure you evangelize it so people vote it and it's not in a vacuum. So Intimidate said, no. I love on-object editing, Toma. I was one of the early adopters on that. I love on-object editing. So there was, when it first, like, there was the initial hit and then there was something wonky and I said, maybe not yet. But they immediately came out with an update that was like, I've been using it ever since. So I always have it on. But Intimidate also said, the amount of customization for each object can be an administrative burden. Okay. Have you tried on-object editing? Does that work better for you? Like turning on the preview features and giving that a try? I'd be curious if that changes your mind. Yeah. Yes, I love on-object editing.
Well, you know what I find with on-object editing is that people
It's
that's been
brilliant.
using Power BI since the beginning,
Yes,
right?
yes.
It's a change,
Yes.
right? But new people, like when I meet people that's just starting with
Yes.
Power BI, the only thing they know is on-object and they love it. So I've switched to it and I've been designing reports. You saw one of my beautiful reports that I designed yesterday, Adam.
Yeah.
And I've been using it. I'm getting used to it.
Jake is saying Tableau has so many clicks for editing visuals. Yeah. All right.
We're working on updating the visuals.
Yeah, and so Jake also put out there that the core visual board has links to Fabric ideas, but I don't know that necessarily translates to what Intimidate is asking.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So in terms of user interface, the visual stuff may not. I don't know.
Yeah,
So,
that's fair.
yeah. I would say, Andrew, I'd say give it another try. It's come a bit. So give it another shake and see if you like it. If you don't, that's fine.
Yep.
User 457 is saying yep, nope. That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
I've learned to love it, and I've just been using it so much that's honestly, if I turned it off, I'd be lost. Like, I don't know that I love it so much. All right, we're over time, but I'm going to grab user 457's question here. When do we get dark mode for the service? I was actually asking myself the same question earlier this week. I would love that. So I don't know of any plans for that right now. You can go to ideas.fabric.microsoft.com. I would love it there. There are some things coming for the UI and the service that I have seen that I really like. Patrick didn't like it so much. I do have one objection to it, but overall, I think it's a great improvement for the service. It's not dark mode though, so but you'll see it soon-ish. I don't know what the timeline of it is, but it's amazing. Yeah. So all right. Yeah, after dark mode. Wait, Alex, what? Install the Edge extension. You can have it now. Install what? What am I installing? Is there a dark mode extension for Fabric in the browser? That'd be cool. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I want to know more. I'm curious now. All right. We are over time. So Patrick, any closing words of wisdom?
Things that are old sometimes become new, like t-sql.
Hey, and Adam doing videos.
Oh yeah, that's what I should have said. That's what I should have said. That would have. But it is right. Some things that we forget about. Right. Everybody's on AI and Chat GPT and MCP servers. You know, I've been working with them and they give me answers, but I still need to go and do stuff. So anyway, yeah, Marco, that's right. SQL. Go SQL.
SQL.
Go SQL.
Yes.
Yep.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. We had fun again. We will be back next Saturday, and we'll see you then. All right. Outside of that, have fun on the interwebs and have fun with GTP5 and all the cool AI stuff, and go learn something. Go learn something.
Yeah.
So, all right. Have a great weekend, everyone. We'll see you. Bye.
Yeah. We can.
Make me bleed. The quench is thirst away. Now I know. This is how it ends. Let's just not.